Sléibhte, the Irish word for mountains. Mountains have long been revered as sacred sites of wonder, ritual, and pilgrimage across cultures and throughout history. Carl Jung observed that the mountain represents the goal of ascent, the striving toward wholeness, and thus often carries the psychological meaning of the self. In Ireland, many Sléibhte are steeped in myth and legend. Shuilleabháin in County Tipperary means the mountain of women and is linked to Fionn McCool, the great warrior of Irish mythology. Another mountain is Binbulben in Sligo, a striking mountain, once favoured by the Fianna, the legendary band of warriors. On its north face lies a dark hollow known as the Fairy Door and said to open as a sign of good weather. And local lore holds that Binbulben is a powerful entrance place into the realm of the Shuilleabháin, the realm of the Gaelic Otherworld and the old gods of Ireland. Sléibhte, mountains.